Hello everyone. Um, hello everyone. Hi, my name is Asaja and this is my get ready with me for my day skincare routine. I don't know what the blur skin is for, but just wanted to add it there. Oh, so the first thing I'm doing was washing my face with this Senka Perfect Whip face wash, and I'm just trying to do an aesthetic shot for it, but it's not like that good. And then after I wash my face, I just put on a hydrating toner, and I'm using the one from Wardah. And I'm just basically putting a few, not drops, just pumps on my palm, and then just put it on my face. This is the product. It's Wardah Primary Skin Hydrating Booster, but it's essentially is hydrating primer or hydrating essence. Oh my god, this is like so awkward. Okay, so I use that, and I'm using probably like 3 layers of that. Actually, there's a technique called 7 skin technique where someone would use like 7 layers of the hydrating toner, but I don't have time for that, you know, and I'll run out of products like soon because of doing that. So I'm just doing it, and I thought it's kind of good, it's sufficient. Oh, also don't forget under your nose, because it's usually the driest part of your face, or at least on mine it is the driest part. I'm just trying to distribute the product and just tapping it up to let it absorb things like that. And yeah, there you go, all good. So after that, I'm using this Skin Aqua sunblock or the Wardah Perfect Bright Moisturizer. I use like not both, but just like one of them. Both have SPF, but the Skin Aqua actually has 50 SPF, and then the other one has 28, and I just wear, you know, either one when I feel like it. And the Wardah one is actually a brightening moisturizer, so it gives the effect of brightening on your face. I mean, that's not like the correct term, but I don't know, this is what I remember. So I'm just using the product right now. Using the Skin Aqua one today because the Wardah one has some kind of brightening properties in it, and I don't feel like brightening my face. I love melanin, I love my skin, and I feel so good. And this is the correct amount of sunblock that you're supposed to be using, so I use that much. And just rubbing all over my palm, and then, you know, distributing it to my face. And then I just use like 1 layer of this. Why would I want like lots of layers? Oh, and also I love the thing that I love about this sunblock is that it's not too greasy. You know, some sunblock could be like really heavy and just, you know, thick, but this one is not. But it has SPF 50, and it's not irritating me either. It's just so neutral for my combination skin, acne-prone combination skin, and I like that. So I'm just, you know, using the rest on my hand. Yeah, after that I just take my pants and then put on my hijab just to go out the door and do something for the day. But that day there was supposed to be like a class I supposed to go to, a unique class, but I don't feel like going to. And this is a negative thing, but I'm just like, I don't feel myself today. So I'm just like, you know what? I think it's okay if I just surrender to my sadness for once in a while. So I'm just wearing my hijab right here. I'm pretending everything's all good, and I'm just not making any I'm not making any faces, any sorts of emotions, because it's just so awkward. This is like one of the first videos, and I just don't want to be like, you know, pretentious or anything. I mean, I've done some videos before, but it was for a contest, and they had to be bubbly. But this is like, I don't know, I'm just trying to be me, but it's just, I don't know. Maybe I'm not really like this. It's just my first video. Of course, it's the most awkward one. So yeah, here's my hijab all finished, and this is the look, or, you know, lack thereof, because I don't wear any makeup, and that's just how I like to roll sometimes. And sometimes I want to wear makeup. I wear like fierce wing for my class, but today I felt like rocking my bare face, and that shot is just really, really awkward. Okay, I'm just gonna end it right here. Goodbye. Bye.